You are going to love 2021
Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, center armrest, universal garage door opener, compass, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, perimeter alarm, tinted glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.